Welcome everybody, Niketa here, and today I have for you a Get Ready With Me Girls Night Out edition. First thing, I am doing my hair in a simple ponytail. I was a bit strapped for time, so simply gathering all my hair in a bun at the back of my head. I've been loving the Wetline Extreme Gel, and this is what I'm using here. I love it for my edges. It, however, does flake, and I think you can actually see that on my hair, that there is a bit of flaking from the last time I would have used that gel. And what I love to do, which you guys would know by now, I'm just swooping my baby hairs using the same gel, and in a few minutes I will use a scarf just to secure my edges. Pardon my shirt turned silk scarf, but it really does not dry out my hair and it lays my edges. I love it. It don't look good, but it does serve a purpose. Something I have been really getting into, it is a bit of a challenge. I have days when my lashes go on effortlessly and other days when it is a challenge. But lashes really do elevate your look. Overall, my outfit, my hair, my makeup is pretty simple, but one of the things that stood out, my earrings, which you guys will see shortly, as well as just doing my lashes, it really transformed the look, in my opinion. Just adding a bit of foundation, which is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm in the color 330. Also using my Fenty Beauty highlighter, which I need to repurchase as well. I also use my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer as well, and these are two of my favorite concealers, and also the only concealers that I've purchased high-end, and I love them both. Overall, guys, nothing out of the ordinary. I did a simple outfit, makeup and hair. I hope you guys are enjoying my Get Ready With Me so far. If you are, definitely check out some of my other content, and I'm just using a Milani Big highlighter to just highlight the apples of my cheeks. And you will see me add my lashes in a second, as well as a little fragrance, which is the Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue, one of my faves. And we are back to the lashes, which, as I said, elevates a look. It can be a challenge applying at first, and there are days where I have lots of challenges, as well as there are days when they apply effortlessly. And here is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this quick video, and I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Natural Nikz. Until next time, walk good.